It broke. This thing's worn out, so now it's snapped. Let's just see till the wheels fall off. When we first moved in this house, it had a border that was around, and it looked nice, but the border was made out of block and they weren't installed properly. It was kind of fallen over, and then there was a lot of scorpions and stuff that were hiding down inside the block. So I wanted to get rid of all of that, pour something more solid and something that the scorpions couldn't really hide in. So we did a solid concrete border around this. But also this lawn had a lot of issues with it. We had root intrusions from the trees that were never taken care of. We had big dead spots, hard spots, and a lot of that came because there was actually broken sprinkler lines in this. And the sprinkler heads that were installed in here, a lot of them couldn't reach to the areas they needed to be, no matter how much you adjusted them. With the addition of a new area and perimeter, we decided to just redo the whole system and bring in new lines. So we brought a trencher in to trench the lines, mostly because there was just way too much to dig by hand. So we just rented one from Home Depot. It wasn't too bad for the day, but they are a lot more difficult than they look. First of all, we have a lot of caliche clay that's kind of buried in various spots around here. So when you hit that, it just doesn't want to budge. So getting it wet kind of helps. I wet down most of the area a day or two before, so that way I had an easier time digging through the caliche. And then once in a while we'd hit a stone or rock that really would bog it down and we'd have to dig it out. But mostly what happened was the bolt at the end of the chain ended up snapping on me. So we ended up having to make it up. Luckily I had some stainless bolts that fit, so I was able to make that do until I could get it back to the rental place.